Welcome to this week's episode with LBC Exterior Cleaning. We're on site today with Dumi and Catalin. The guys are going to be removing this carbon staining from the brickwork behind me. This house is situated right next to a very busy road here in West London, Brentford, so the staining is pretty bad. They're also going to be removing some paint from the windowsill. So let's go join the team and see how they get on. We've got Dumi here. He's getting rigged, as you can see, full PPE, gloves, high vis, hard hat, goggles. He's got the FP3 mask there, getting that all sorted. Let's go grab a word with him. Morning Dumi, how we doing? So what we doing for today's job? Everything alright? You feeling good?
Yeah, I'm feeling good today. We'll do some carbon remover stain and some paint remover as well from the window sill.
Nice. And what are you going to be using to remove it all?
Today I use a special machine. It's a Doff machine, steam cleaning.
Nice. Okay, so let's go upstairs, take a closer look. Thanks, brother.
Thank you.
How is? Looking good, my friend. Looking good. Ready for a day's work, yeah? Ready. Got my mask, gloves and goggles as well. Cameraman got to stay safe too. Got Catalin, he's just warming up the gun. So as you can see here, Dumi's just started on the top part of the brickwork, and you can see the comparison here. That's the lower level. See the line where it goes filthy black. Big difference there from the bit he's cleaned to the lower deck. So let's go down to the lower deck. As you can see, Catalini's applying some more treatment down there. So I'll go down the ladder and crack on with these guys. Beautiful, son, beautiful. Quick word with Dumi, the foreman. Dumi?
Yes, please.
How's the job going? You happy?
Yeah, I'm very happy. My colleague just put out some special chemical for carbon removal. It's HP20, and then we leave another 20 minutes, 10, 15, 20 minutes. See how it's going, and then we'll do a steam cleaning again.
Nice. But it's looking nice here, as you can see in the background.
You can see the difference, yeah. And there as well. Have a look there.
Very good, Dumi, very good. Yeah, look at the neighbours. Proud of you, bro. Good job, good job. See you soon. As you can see here, this is the next door neighbour's house on the left here. That little piece of wood is separating it, so you can see the difference there. And still drying, so as it dries it will become even clearer, get more of that yellow tinge from the brickwork. But you can see the difference LBC are making here. Guys are just setting up on the deck, bottom deck, applying some more of the treatment, letting it work its magic, ready to be Doff steam clean. So getting through this job nicely. So you can see here difference between the middle deck and the bottom deck, big difference. So let's get the rest of this brickwork cleaned. Go on, Dumi, my son. He's a lad, isn't he? Another great job by LBC Exterior Cleaning. Hope you're enjoying the content, and if you are, make sure you like, subscribe and comment. Take care, see you in the next job.